So if the thermostat housing / water pump housing is going to break again with the replacement OEM parts, is there an aftermarket option for it?
Okay, so this question was about a Mark 7. This is pretty much true for most MQB cars, 1.8T 2-liter turbos, which would be like GTIs, S3s, Golf Rs. I think 1.8Ts, they all use pretty much the same thermostat housing, which you'll take a look at here. Now this housing, kind of similar-ish to the older TSI ones as far as it being plastic composite material, which on older TSIs, they have an aluminum version that's completely aluminum the whole way through. The issue with that on the newer ones, first of all, the OEM one has been updated a few different times. So there is a newer revision of this, which I suspect is going to be less likely to leak and less likely to fail. The most current revision, which I think right now is M as in Mary, ends in the letter M. We have complete kits for these. But the problem with an aftermarket version or an all aluminum version of this is that this component actually has an adjustment motor inside of it that adjusts for the thermostat, which I think is going to be why it's less likely long-term that this is going to be something we'll see an aluminum option for. Maybe not ever, but probably anytime soon, because it will require a lot of R&D on the side of making an aluminum version that has that adjustment motor built into the thermostat housing and all as one unit. So for that reason, at this point, there are no aftermarket options I'm aware of for MQBs. That may be something that happens in the future, but is not available right now. So making sure you're getting the most current revision, which again right now is the letter M. We'll link to the correct version of the kit, as well as the individual thermostat in the description where you can check that out.